Welcome back to Technique Force Learning. Today, we're going to learn how to design a good thumbnail for YouTube videos. The thumbnail is typically the first impression of your video and essentially determines whether or not people will click through. It's the first thing that viewers see when browsing through YouTube. It's a small, clickable image that either grabs their attention or lets them scroll on by. YouTube will offer you a choice of frames from your uploaded video to serve as this preview image, but rarely will this freeze frame serve you well. You need something that grabs the eye and communicates what your video is about at a glance. You want it to grab your target audience and make them think, I gotta watch this. It helps improve your channel's brand, but it also attracts visitors and more eyes to your content at the same time. Designing a good thumbnail starts with the proper sizing and dimensions. Your thumbnail image should be 1280 by 720 pixels, with a minimum width of 640 pixels. An aspect ratio of 16 by 9 is ideal as it's used most often in YouTube players and previews. Making a thumbnail image that's too small is a big mistake. Although thumbnail images show up relatively small in the YouTube search results, don't forget that YouTube videos can also be embedded. For this reason, you want a larger image size that can be scaled down instead of a small size that will be scaled up. This will ensure top quality. Next, you need a strong visual. For this is an essential to grab the attention of your viewers. A high-quality picture that acts as a teaser for the video will not only give context, but it's also an opportunity for your audience to familiarize themselves with your style. Like Mike Visuals, for example. He is a videographer and his content on YouTube is very well done. He uses high-quality images that gives user a glimpse of what the next 10 minutes might be like. As a travel cinematographer, adventurous pictures are something that he wants to showcase to attract clicks to his videos. Where to find beautiful stock photos? Most design tools will offer a selection right inside the app called Canva. You can use it to design your thumbnail as well, but beware, most of the photos in Canva will cost you $1 per each use. On the other hand, there's Snappa. It includes over 60,000 royalty-free images you can use at no extra charge, as many times as you like. Now that you've chosen your visual photo, it's time to add text. Including text headings on your video thumbnail holds many benefits, but the biggest benefit is that it gives the viewers more context about your video. A simple image, no matter how beautiful, isn't going to communicate that your video is a brilliant tutorial that'll solve one of your viewers' most pressing problems. Capture that core idea into a compelling title that will grab those who'll enjoy your video. If you create a series, the text headings in the thumbnail could be numbered. Much like a TV show with numbered episodes and seasons, numbered YouTube thumbnails will help your viewers keep track of the content they are consuming. An example is Apple's YouTube channel. They include text headings in their thumbnails to provide additional context that is not immediately evident. After brainstorming about your title, you need to pick a font. It's always important to familiarize your audience with your brand and your content. A good way to do this is to keep your thumbnails consistent with the same style fonts, memorable colors, and a strong design. If you've determined your business visual branding already, that's awesome. Use your headline font for your title text. If you haven't, choose a nice, clean headline font in a design tool like Snappa. You want something that's clear and easy to read at a glance. Remember to be honest and accurate in your thumbnails. If you clickbait users to viewing your videos by misleading them with thumbnails and headlines, this will hurt your brand and reputation. Not only that, but YouTube will stop showing your videos in search results if your bounce rates are too high. The thumbnail is meant to give context, so providing an image that does not depict what is in the video will harm you rather than benefit you. Find the most important point or part of your video and create your thumbnail around that. Keep your thumbnail as a teaser for your video without revealing too much. Show just enough so that users will click through and check out what you have to offer or say. Let's try creating one now with Canva. According to their website, there are 5 easy steps to creating a thumbnail. First off, choose a template from Canva's library of YouTube thumbnails. They've got hundreds of different designs to choose from, so it's easy to find something that suits your taste. Or you can design from scratch. Then choose from their library of professional graphic design elements such as banners, icons, frames, and more. They've got more than 2 million images in their library, or you can also upload your own. Click on the placeholder text to add your own message. They've got hundreds of free fonts to choose from too. Change the background, the colors, the fonts. It's really easy to customize your YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Lastly, download or share your finished YouTube thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.